When you see a small startup business swiftly turn out to be a major brand, you know that they found the secret to success. And when that organization continues to grow over the passing of years while staying fresh and creative, that company is the one you'd like to be working for you. That success story is Tanzifco's. Our organization is highly innovative, multifaceted, and extremely customer-focused. For more than 50 years, we at Tanzifco have been at the forefront of providing the highest standards in integrated environmental services, including, but not limited to, commercial, janitorial and housekeeping, sanitation services, waste management, hospitality, high-rise maintenance, indoor air quality services, stone care services, landscaping services, and pest management services to local organizations, private businesses, and other institutions. Our 8 convenient locations serve healthcare and industrial facilities, airports, marine sectors and seaports, shopping malls, real estate developers, municipalities, ministries and other official institutions, high security areas, banks and financial institutions, educational organizations and institutes, energy, oil and gas sectors, and sports and entertainment venues. The cleanliness and seamless operation of your facility is our mission. All our staff, from office personnel to field technicians, are highly trained to deliver the perfect solution to match your budget and provide your needs. Our people are possessed with vast experience in creating and maintaining a sterile and safe work environment for your people. Select from our services and packages, from commercial, industrial and healthcare, janitorial and housekeeping, sanitation services, hazardous and non-hazardous waste management, to high-rise maintenance, indoor air quality services, kitchen exhaust system and grease trap degreasing and cleaning, stone care services, all the way to pest management services, in addition to high standard hospitality services, plus much, much more. No matter what business or trade you're in, wherever you're located, or which sector your facility is in, Tanzifco meets your needs. As an ISO certified and BICSC accredited organization, we guarantee your satisfaction. As proven by our 5-star reputation and testimonials from numerous clients delighted by our services. We at Tanzifco will make sure that you, your staff, and most importantly, your customers are in the safest and spotless environment available.